1. Conversation at the airport.
Excuse me, where's the check-in counter for Air India?
The check-in counter for Air India is over there. Just follow the signs.
Thank you. Is this where I drop off my luggage?
Yes, you can drop off your luggage here. Do you have your passport and ticket ready?
Yes, here they are.
Great. I'll need to see your passport to check you in.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is A12.
Thank you. What time should I be at the gate?
Boarding starts 30 minutes before departure. So I would recommend being there around that time.
Got it. Thank you for your help.